Hey everyone, Keith Rainville here with emailclick.com. Today I will be showing you a cool prospecting tool that is definitely advantageous for insurance agents, real estate agents, or anyone looking to connect with people in their area. Okay, so I am on the Sales Navigator page, but this tool is also can be used with the regular LinkedIn unpaid or free version. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the Sales Navigator and go to geography here. And if I'm a real estate agent, I want to connect with local people in my area, and I'm going to do that by zip code. So I'm going to enter a zip code, 34611 is local to my area. Okay. So now I'm going to choose the local area, and I'm going to do a 1 mile radius. Okay. So when I select the audience that I want to look up, I want to make sure that it's under 1,000 people here. So I'm going to go down and fine tune this to industry, and let me say healthcare. And I'm going to look up, let's say I want to send a canned message and connect with doctors in my area. Okay. I'm going to put in doctor. Now, again, I want to make sure that this is under 1,000 people. So that is significantly under 1,000 people. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose some more medical practice. And I can work with 29 for now for demonstration purposes. But again, I can go up to 1,000 people here. Let's also put in, how about manager, so we can see a bunch more people. Okay, so here we go, 52. Let's put in manager here, and so let's get that right up there. Okay, great, 695 guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the email click auto connect and visit tool in the lower left hand corner. Now we can connect up to 30,000 people, guys, in LinkedIn or Sales Navigator. So I'm going to put in a canned message up here. Now I'm a real estate agent, so I want to connect with people and I want to leave them a message that is suitable and will be able to introduce myself and see if they're in the market for buying or selling. I'll be on their list of people that they may call. So this is a great prospecting tool if you're a real estate agent or insurance agent. So I'm going to put in, let's say, something that's more geared towards my profession. Hi, blank. My name is Keith Rainville. I am a realtor in Spring Hill and wanted to connect to introduce myself. Okay. Okay, so thank God for spell check here, guys, and introduce myself. Okay, so if you're ever in the market to buy or sell a home, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Nice and simple, non-threatening, guys. And again, let me just go back and correct my errors here. Okay, my name is Keith Rainville. I'm a realtor in Spring Hill and want to connect to introduce myself. If you're ever in the market to buy or sell a home, I would love to have the opportunity to connect. Okay, so now this is a great tool again because you can send these personalized messages to the people that we've connected with here and we've filtered in. And so what we're going to do is come down here and hit visit and auto connect. And we have 695. So I'm going to put in 700 prospects here. And then I'm going to start the automation. Now, as you'll see underneath that, it says random actions between 30 and 100 seconds. So this will randomly send a connection between 30 and 100 seconds. Okay. So what we're going to do is leave this just as a standard. And just make sure that you adjust how many contacts you have here. And this here, you'll always want to type in. You never want to copy and paste it. And as long as you keep this under 1,000 and this in accordance with it, you'll never have an issue with any failures to send the invitation. So just bear with me, guys. We're going to just wait here a couple more seconds. We got 14 seconds to go. And you'll see this in operation. It will automatically connect and send that message to the first contact, Brent is the first contact on the list. Okay, here we go. So it will personalize the message. You'll see it'll add the message. And then in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the invitation was sent. Okay, it's that easy, guys. Auto Connect. Use this feature every day to connect with new people. You can connect to 30,000 people on LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, and also leave your LinkedIn app open. So as you connect with people and as this is running, your message will be sent and they will automatically respond to you. And this is a great way to prospect as well, guys. Okay, so this is the Auto Connect feature on LinkedIn and Sales Navigator. Thanks for watching.